Hey there, fashion friends. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. It is gonna be a good one. We are looking at the best jeans for your body shape.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
So I definitely know the struggle to trying to find the perfect pair of jeans for your body. That is why I am making today's episode, is so that I can help you in your search. If you feel like you have not found that perfect pair of jeans yet, or if you are looking to find another perfect pair of jeans. Before we get into the jeans, we gotta have some real talk here. There are certain things you gotta get your head around before you can feel good in a good pair of jeans. First little side tip is to stop comparing. I know you've heard this a lot, but seriously stop. I have to tell myself constantly to stop comparing myself to other people, especially with like Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and all this shenanigans. It's so easy to get caught up in the whole like, oh my gosh, check out this girl's six pack. But guess what? That girl works real hard for that six pack, okay? Or just the vicious circle of comparing your body to somebody else's body that is nowhere even near the realm of your body type, that just will never ever be your body type. Like, I know that my body will never look like Jennifer Lopez's body. I'm not gonna ever look like J-Lo. I've accepted it, and it's, yeah, time to move on. So then with that, the next little side tip is love your body. So once you kind of accept that your body is what it is, just love your body. Love who you are. So something that you can do to sort of help with this, to sort of help change your perspective when you look in the mirror, instead of focusing on all your negative qualities or all your flaws, why not focus on the things that you love? So for me, for example, I really like my booty. I think it's one of my assets. I like my legs. I do. So, and I like my shoulders. I like my like collarbone and shoulders. I got swimmer shoulders. Yeah. Everybody's got it. You've got to have something that you have to have at least one thing that you love about your body. I know you do. If not two, if not three things that you love about your body. So instead of focusing on the flaws, focus on the things you love. And the next little side note is take care of it. So case in point, what I just said, back in the day, I had a real nice booty, real nice. Could bounce a quarter off that puppy. And you know, as time goes on, as you get a little bit older, things start to loosen up a little bit. So instead of me just getting all bitter about it, I'm doing something about it. I'm doing my squats, I'm doing my lunges, I'm doing my exercises, choosing to not have that fourth piece of chocolate after already have eaten a whole bag. You know? Choices, decisions. Once you sort of find that love for your body again, you will be motivated to treat it well. Once you start treating your body better, it's amazing how much more that love will grow for your body. Okay, so there's my little 3 cents for you. I just had to say that stuff before we get into the jeans things. So I think it's super important for us all to just know that whatever we have, we are beautiful. Because I want this for myself, because I want this for everybody that I know, I think it's just great to kind of have each other's back and be there for each other. So what I'd love for you to do right now, before we get started, before we get any further, is comment below. Tell me what your body shape is. Tell me one thing that you love about your body, and also tell me one of your favorite pairs of pants or jeans, like the style, the fit, because I want to be able to share other people's perspectives as well, because obviously I have my body shape and I can only, speak so much to each body shape. Yeah, it's great to hear from everybody. It's great to for all of us to have those conversations and inspire each other so that we can all be the best versions of ourselves. What I also want to mention before we get any further is that this video is meant to inspire, not make people feel inferior. So if you've got jeans that you love, and they go against what I say here today, then who cares? Who cares if I think that these are the best jeans for your body type? If you feel good in them, if you feel fierce, if you feel boss, then you should wear those jeans. Do not feel like just because this is what I'm saying that this is how it has to be done. This is just my opinion. I'd rather see somebody rocking a pair of jeans that they just feel 100% in than a pair of jeans that I've said that they should wear and they don't feel fully themselves in it. And when I'm finished with my best jean suggestions, I will also mention my favorite denim brands that I think are doing a really good job with different fits, different sizes. Okay, so with that, let's look at the best jeans for your body shape. All right, so the first body shape that we're gonna start off with is the hourglass body shape. So what a lot of the experts actually say is for this body shape, you should be wearing flares and boot cuts, which I do agree with. I think that flares and boot cuts look great on this body shape. They do say that you should wear mid-rise to basically kind of downplay the curves. Now, that's where I don't necessarily agree. If I were you, I would be wearing high-waisted jeans all day, every day. If it was me with an hourglass figure, what I would love to wear is a high-rise, tight-fitting vintage pair of straight jeans. Okay, so the next body shape we're gonna be talking about is rectangle. Woo, yeah. Rectangle gal in the house. What a lot of the experts will say is to wear low-rise skinny jeans for the rectangle shape to basically add to the hip area, to give that illusion of some hips, of some curves. So I do definitely agree with this. But for me, as a rectangle shape, I will say I love wearing low-rise fitting jeans or pants. But I also love to wear high-rise. The reason why I like to wear high-rise is because I am rectangular. I don't have those natural curves as much. So I like to wear the high-rise because they hit me up on the upper waist and cinch in and give me more of an illusion of a waist and accentuate whatever curves I do have, whatever little curves I do have, they accentuate. So I think that's probably why I love tight jeans so much. I definitely love my jeans to be tapered, so that's why you'll usually always see me cuffing stuff, especially if it's more of a boxier fit. If I have a pair of wide leg or straight jeans, which I really probably have no business wearing because I am a rectangular shape, it's basically just boxing me up even more, but whatever, I don't really care. So, I mean, case in point, you just wear what you love and whatever, even if the rules say you shouldn't. But if I am wearing those type of jeans, what I'm always doing is cuffing or adding a tapered cuff to add that dimension to the boxiness, that sort of elongating effect. Okay, so the next body shape is the inverted triangle. So most will say that the low rise are going to be the best type of jean for this body shape. And I do agree with that. Be able to add that balance and add that attention to the hips, which I think is super fun. I think that's great that you have the ability to basically just draw that attention to the hips, especially because I think that with this body type as well, what looks really good is like a low-waisted or low-sitting boyfriend jean with a really good taper, or a relaxed, like oversized fit wide leg or straight leg with some cool effortless cuffing. Also, what I think really looks good with this body type is like a harem jean or like a harem fit, because again, it's adding that volume to the bottom half. Also, another good thing would be like what's really in right now is like the cargo jeans or the carpenter jeans. Just any sort of detail that's gonna accentuate that bottom half, that's gonna add a little bit of attention to the bottom half. So that's what's kind of fun about your body type, is you get to just really play. You get to play a bit. Okay, so the next body type is going to be triangle. So a lot of people will say that the best jean for this body type is a wide leg trouser jean with like a mid-rise. That's just boring. We can do better than that, people. I say high rise all the way, ladies. Show off those beautiful hips. I don't care. Take it from somebody that doesn't really have those beautiful, beautiful curves. We see you. We see you and we are loving you. So show them off. I would say like the best fits or the best cuts to sort of balance the hips, again, not camouflaging the hips, just balancing the hips, is a straight jean or a flare jean or a wide leg jean. Okay, and then the last body shape is going to be oval. Again, with this, they are saying to do mid-rise, flares, and wide legs, which I do agree with. I think flares and wide legs look good, but you know I'm gonna say no, no, no to mid-rise. High-rise, baby. Like, just get those high-rise, because what's gonna do is it's gonna help cinch in the waist. So I also think that straight jeans would look good with your body type as well. A good pair of non-stretch vintage jeans that are just nice and thick, because what it's gonna do is it's going to hold its shape. It's not going to have this weird cinch in with some of these stretch jeans. I think some people think stretch jeans are like the best thing that's happened to us, but I think that sometimes they end up being more unflattering at times, especially if they're not a good quality stretch jean, so definitely be careful. So there we have it. Best jeans for these 6 different body shapes. At the end of the day, I think what you really need to do is look at your body and figure out what is it that I love about my body and how can I accentuate that? How can I show that off? How can I showcase it? Okay, so let's talk about some of the denim brands that I think are great for all body shapes. Okay, so the first one is Madewell. What I like about Madewell is they've got a very good range of sizes, going from petite to plus sizes. And they also just have a very good range of rises, of fits, of washes, of different types of material or fabrics, different combinations. They also do a lot of good collaborations with other denim brands. So it's just a great spot to go for jeans, as well as that they're really good price. They're very fairly priced. And if you bring in an old pair of jeans, you get $20 off a pair of their jeans. So that is a fantastic win for your denim game. Okay, so the next one is Boyish. I wouldn't necessarily say that these are great for like a wide size range. They're just really good for that high-waisted vintage vibe that I've talked about, and just have really good structured denim. But the only thing is they only go up to a size 33. So like their range of sizing just isn't the best. Levi's is probably one of the best denim brands out there, just for the fact that obviously they've been around the longest. We're here today having this conversation because of Levi's. So they're just classic, but I just think, yeah, they keep every single body type in mind. Their selection of sizes, the selections of lengths of inseams, as well as that, just the selection of their fits, of their different cuts. What I like about their jeans is they just have really good structure to them, so you're not gonna look like a balloon. I think when you go too stretchy of denim, it just doesn't look good. It doesn't look like jeans. They just look like a pair of tights, and I don't always think that that's the most flattering. Another one is Citizens of Humanity. The reason why I love them is I just think they have such a amazing wide range of different styles, of different rises, of different cuts, different fits, just really good quality denim. The only thing I would say is they don't have a huge range of sizes. They only go up to a size 33. And of course, I cannot finish this without mentioning my beloved Everlane. Although they don't really have like a wide selection, they have everything you would need. They have a little bit of everything within their denim collection. And as well as that, they've kept everybody in mind, all the body shapes in mind. Along with that, what I love about their jeans is their authentic stretch. So, you know, I've talked about some stretch jeans just being absolute rubbish. What they have is actually an authentic stretch line that they have, which I think is amazing because it is stretch denim, but it just has such a good sort of tautness to it, where it doesn't look like a thin, flopsy sort of, they're called authentic stretch for a reason. So definitely check those out if you haven't already. I think they go up to size 35, which is still pretty good. But yeah, they don't go any further into plus sizes. Okay, so there we have it, you guys. Some suggestion on jeans from me. But again, this is just my opinion. It is not what you need to be doing if you don't feel like it is right for you. I am just here to inspire, to maybe get you out of a rut if you're stuck, if you're just looking for some more options. But yes, like I said, please comment below your body shape, your favorite thing about your body shape, and your favorite pair of bottoms or jeans. All right, you guys, I hope that today's episode was helpful or at least entertaining somewhat. You know what to do next. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with friends, subscribe for future weekly episodes. All right, you guys, have a fantastic, safe, and healthy rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.